Hey everybody, it's Mr. Conyer. This is my series, Easy as ABC. We're going to find the two roots for this trinomial in standard form using completing the square. This formula we're using works when the leading coefficient is 1. As you can see, leading coefficient is 1, B is -2, and C is -8. So, once again, the formula we are using when the leading coefficient is 1. When we have the leading coefficient of 1, we're going to use this formula right here. Now, we are doing half of B. All you have to do is take half of B and make two equations. Then we're doing the square root of -C plus half of B squared. That's it, and then we're going to solve. It's going to take us, once again, it's going to be less than 30 seconds. We're doing this quick, fast, and a hurry. So, here is our starting point right here. We have A, we have B, and we have C. We need to take half of B. So what I'm going to do is take half of -2. I'm going to create two equations from that. All I'm going to do is create two equations. Half of -2 is -1. One of those equations has to be positive. The other equation, which is also half of B, has to be a negative. There's the easy part. I gotta do is take half of B. Now, for the next part, what we have to do is we just got to know a little bit of math. So we have -8. As you can see, C is -8 plus half of B squared. Okay, -8 will turn to a +8. -1 squared would turn to a +1. So we need the square root of 9. And the square root of 9 is 3. So all we need here is a +3 and a -3. All we need is a +3. So now that makes this a pretty simple equation. 3 plus 1. One of my roots is 4. I'll put that in the ordered pair. Now, my other root, all I got to do is add 1 to -3. And our other root, x, is -2. Put that in the ordered pair, -2, 0. And we are done. There's our roots with our formula. Half of B gave us the two equations, x minus 1. And this is our other part, -C plus half of B squared. Well, that turned to 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. So we had to use +3 and -3. And we have our two roots.